Gadkari, there's an agreement with Transport for London. What exactly is planned?
That we need integrated approach for transport. We need economically viable, import substitute, cost effective and pollution free. We have a huge population, but unfortunately in our country we don't have integration between the system.
And what is it that London could give?
London strength is their research study of all their different type of systems by which they are getting good solution from that. So we want to use their experience and their expertise for Indian scenario, and we have discussed this issue in detail with them, and their experience and their research will be more useful for us for making of future planning of the transport in our country.
And specifically what could London give to Indian cities for this kind of planning?
Now the city transport, urban transport, the private operators are there. But the bus belong to private operators, but all discipline, the system maintained by the private operator under the control of the government authority. And that is a good model. At the same time, accountability is there. There is professional approach, and there is the most important thing is a lot of comfort to the people. So in the same manner, we can give the ticket rate very reasonably. We will get the air-conditioned buses. Their double-decker bus design is very good. It's very special. And in India also, we want to make a good designs. And at the same time, we have to think about the comforts of the people by and large.
Are we looking at a Make in India model at least partly, or are we talking about just buying design and technology?
No, we are looking for Make in India design. Now in India, unfortunately, the bus is built on the truck chassis. Here, this is not the system. So complete bus design is a different concept. So we will go for Make in India and Made in India. We will call a competition for a good designs, and we will select that designs with considering the maximum comfort to our people with a reasonable rate. And at the same time, fuel point of view, we want to take a lot of decisions. Now we want to go for electric as a fuel because we are electric surplus.
And is that technology that you're looking for from Britain?
No, as far as electric bus is concerned, we have got a lot of technology available in the country. And now we have decided to encourage electric car, taxis, electric auto rickshaw and electric buses.
How big are these electric plants? When do you plan to scale them up? We see this occasional experiment here and there, but when will this come into mass use?
Within a year, you will see a tremendous change in this field. And we are going for that, and now we have confidence that we can make it, and we are encouraging a lot of companies, Indian companies, those who are manufacturing electric buses. Already we have got the approval, but in electric technology, every day there is a changing is there. So we have to select the appropriate technology for that, which will be the cost effective. The most important thing is charging. That is the reason that we have to find out the most innovative models for charging. And in my own city in Nagpur, at 26 May, in this month, we are already launched electric taxis from Mahindra, and we are expecting that there will be good response for us for that.
Yes. Now, there is also the tax issue to think of by way of incentives. Is there a plan to lower taxes significantly on electric vehicles?
Actually, I'm going to recommend this to the Finance Ministry, but this is not in my hand. But our Prime Minister, our country, our government is very much committed for the import substitute cost-effective and pollution-free transport system. In a situation, the electric transport is very important. Mass rapid transport on electric basis, we are now thinking about making a system from Dholakua to Manesar. That electric transport system, just like a cable car, having capacity of the ponds will be there, and it can solve the traffic jam problem in the New Delhi. So for the metro cities, we are thinking on that line, and we will find out the solution. And for that purpose, for maintenance, for operation, and for administration, we need something which is very important, where our professional, transparent approach, at the same time the experience of the UK authorities, it will be very much useful for that. And at the time of the planning, we will consult them, we will take their help, We'll sign the agreement for cooperation, and I feel that that can be very much useful for all of us.
How soon do we expect this agreement?
Within a month, we will sign the agreement. Today, we have analyzed a lot of things. They have given us a draft. My joint secretary is already here, and he's discussing with them. And as early as possible, we will finalize and we will do it.
What about investment? Are we getting from the British ideas or also investment?
I meet with a lot of contractors, investors, those who are interested in infrastructure. Today I have a meeting with them, and they are very keenly interested to come to India. They are ready to invest in the project. They have got the ability for execution, and I assure them that you are welcome in India because we have got a very good relationship with the UK, and particularly this initiative is also very useful. We will definitely cooperate you, and we will encourage you in India for development of infrastructure.
Finally, sir, what about the Masala Bonds project that you've kick-started? What level of investment do you expect from that vehicle for infrastructure?
This is the first time we have already, this is a pilot project for us, and it's really a good response from the European investors, and I feel that the next time also we will get more response, and I'm confident that whatever our expectation we are getting through Masala Bond.
Any estimate of the level of investment we could be looking at, a range?
As far as Masala Bond, we have a limitations, but we are searching for insurance fund, pension funds, because we need huge capital. Already we have sanctioned the project in my ministry more than 6 lakh crores, and next time in 2 years at least we are planning for 15 lakh crores. So we need a huge investment. We are particularly concentrating on the particular pension fund, insurance fund, because the cost, land acquisition cost is increased. So our main intention is to reduce the construction cost and improve the quality, and at the same time interest cost in India is very high. By taking the capital from abroad, we want to reduce the interest cost by which we can make the economical viability in the project.
Mr. Gadkari, it does sound like you're on the road to success. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.